Interested in our 2008 Holden Commodore? This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.